In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a project in BuildSpace Pro and how to assign a colleague to this project. To create a project in BuildSpace Pro, click at the BuildSpace logo on the top left corner and click Project Builder module. Then, click at Create Project. There are two options for you to choose. The first one is to create a new project in the system by simply select Project Information Form. Another one is for you to import any other BuildSpace user's project which the file format is in EBQ file. To create a new project, click Project Information Form. Fill in all necessary information and click Save. Your newly created project will appear at the top of the list. Double-click Add a project to start preparing your BQ. If you wish to invite your colleagues to participate in this project, you may assign them by clicking at the project properties, then click Assign Users to Project. Double-click at the selected group, then click at the checkbox to select your team members. On the right-hand side, you may give the access to the selected users to edit the BQ by simply change from No to Yes at the admin column, then click Save.